Yo, what is up, guys? Today we are going to be doing a actual test on this thing actually moving. I did some modifying, which was adding a actual, like, what is it, control kind of thing. I actually added that. This is actually carbon fiber, but I did have some part snap off that I can get on. But I do have the old one over here, right here, and it does work. See, as you can see, the little thing snapped off, but it does make a difference with the movement of the car. But I am currently on, like, basically slick tires, so it's not going to create too much of a difference when braking. I'm just trying to figure out how far and much the braking is, so I'm gonna be doing some chalk tests, the distance of it. So I'm hoping none of these screws go loose. They feel alright. I'm feeling alright, so hopefully we can get some tests. I'm not going to be running at full speed because the tires aren't that good yet, but it's still going to run decently fast. I'm going to run it with the servo moving and without it moving, so it's just going to stay in a fixed position just like this. So let's get outside and actually do that. Alright, so currently I have it all hooked up. Everything's working. Make a little marking spot. Ooh. So we're going to start all the way at that black spot up here, all the way up there. We're going to do the best out of like 3 for this. We're going to make a mark. That's the stopping line, and then we're just going to give it full throttle. I would say like 85% throttle, so let's give it a go. Yep, bare tires. Bare tires. Definitely got the best of me. As you can see, it's working. So it does work. Car coming? Nope. Alright, let's give this a shot. Let's mark that down. Let's mark it down. We'll do X's as with the servo, and O's with no servo. So let's give this another shot. Go. Much better. Braking. Chalk. Oh, we got the chalk. I think I braked a tad bit too early, but it happens. Human error. One more with the servo. I'm just going to unplug it. Alright, I did brake a bit late there. I think a car's coming, so I gotta hurry. So I'm gonna take off the body, let's unplug this thing, and let's go. So that now we have absolutely no servo on it. As you can see, when I brake, it does not move. No moving, no servo. Let's give it a shot at the braking point up here. Exact same thing. Exact same 85%. So we're gonna give this a good shot. Give it its throttle. Great. Let's get the chalk. We're gonna make this an O. And do it again 2 more times. As you can see, it does slide without the air brake. I've been noticing, so we'll just go to the rear of it. Now my timing is better because I've been doing more laps, so we'll do one more with the servo, just in case. Make our mark. As you can see, our groupings are way better on here. There's a car coming. The groupings are way better than with the servo, so I'm gonna add the servo right back on. All right. Now that it's working, let's see, you can even hear it. I got stuck. Let's give this thing a shot. We need better groupings this time. Let's get those. So it did tilt to the side a bit, as I just saw. It did turn. So we're just going to the farthest tips of it. Just like that. Nice X right there. We're going to do this 2 more times for the servo, and I'm gonna call it quits. Car's coming. Can't mark it. I accidentally just smacked this piece. It does come loose. It happens. Another car's coming, so all you do is adjust it. Whoa, what a way better braking time. And so the groupings are out of place, but they're slowly adding up. So I'll do one more. One last one. So it looks like it just landed right on. It did roll a little bit. It landed right on it. And it landed like right here. So these two are the same. These two are the same. So yeah, as I just proven, let's actually just show the car moving. We had a stopping point here with the servo, and then this was the closest without servo, but then followed by servo, and then without servo, farthest one with the servo, and then this is without servo, and then this one, 2 of them right on top of each other with servos. So I would say it does do its job, because as we can see by the groupings, they're very close to each other. So I'm going off of the majority of without, which is these 2, and they're very close together. Same with those, but it definitely does a big difference in racing, I would say. Even though this one with the carbon fiber wing is broken, it does do a lot more.